Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I just got in the latest bundle from the Fat Quarter Shop. I'm actually not sure which one this is. I subscribe to a couple of their monthly Fat Quarter groups, and I think this is probably Lori Holt or Moda, but I'm not 100%, so let's jump right in and see what we got. Yeah, I can't remember. I know for a little while there was some delays on getting the Lori Holt bundles, and I can't remember if we're caught up or if we still have one extra floating around out there. But I'm always happy if I get Moda or Lori Holt. I don't care. Either one. They'll make me happy. Oh, it's Lori's. I recognize the print. Oh, you guys, that's so pretty. So this is the July 2024 Lori Holt. So it is a little bit, again, it's kind of running behind, but it's got some awesome red, white, and blues. Look at the denim combinations there. I love it. And I am excited. I think this first one that I recognized was maybe from Mercantile. I can't ever remember. It doesn't say. Okay. So I always love to give you guys a good close-up before I break it all apart, because it never looks as pretty when I'm done. You guys can see them too. We've got these great red, white, and blue. So of course this would have been the July bundle. I know they've had a little bit of slight delay, but I will take Lori Holt fabrics any day of the week. Okay, so we've got this great, it's like a black on red, and I don't have the print on that one, but this one says Hometown. So we may have been waiting for the Hometown to come in. These are super cute. Has a little bit of pink mixed into this one. Oh, I haven't seen this pattern before. I really like this pattern. It's got some crisscross. And then we move into some pinks, which isn't a traditional red, white, and blue quilt, but it's going to be different. And then we've got some pinks. I like that one. Okay. And I know I've seen this one before. Yeah, this one's from Calico. So this one's been around a little while. I love these, that they can kind of pull the different fabrics from all the different lines that'll match up well together. And then I just put them all in my Lori bins. Which, by the way, were kind of full. So then I split them and added a second basket to my mix. And now they were a little bit lackluster, not full enough. So this will be perfect. And I don't see what line this one's from. I feel like I should know. This little 3-leaf kind of always reminds me of poison ivy. We have a ton of poison ivy here in Tennessee, and just all my hiking days come back to me. Now this is almost teal. That's fun, kind of different. And then I haven't seen this one before either. This may be a new one as well. So we've got some blues, some teals, and then some gray, but a nice, cute, low volume that's different. I've been looking for a lot of new low volumes lately because I've been using up my stash. Okay, and then we've got this chicken wire. So yeah, I think all in all, this is going to be a great bundle. I'll get you guys some close-up pictures, and then I just keep them. These are my Lori bins. Until I was rummaging around in here for one today. So we will get you guys some close-up pictures, and then I will get these incorporated here. If you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe button. That helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.